Okay, well, mysteries of mysteries. Just did a compression test on number 5 back there. You can see the compression tester screwed into the plug hole, and look at this. Now have back up to 120 psi of compression, just a hair under that. You can see that there. So okay, well, I think maybe I'll go through and check the rest of the plugs. And that one back there, since number 7 looks okay, I'm gonna just make, right now, it may bite me in the future, but I'm gonna make an assumption that it's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest of these plugs and see if I see one that's not looking good, looking different, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned.